To use the virtual assistant on your Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro is fairly simple. Just ensure that your watch, when it's connected to your phone, does have an internet connection. And then from here, you then want to go ahead and navigate to the app screen. Look for the option AI voice and then select it, and it will be connected. Now go ahead and ask whatever it is you want to ask, and the AI should automatically input and give you a response. So, say for example, you want to ask the weather. All you need to do is say, "What is the weather like today?" And then it gives you the weather so that you can be able to get a response on what exactly it is that you're searching for. So that is how you can use the AI on your Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.